In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iCloud sync paused for messages here on an iPhone. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you have the error where it's saying iCloud sync paused, here in your Messages app, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is reset your connection. This is kind of a basic fix, but it usually does work, and it's good to do before changing any settings. You want to pull down on the top right corner to open up the control center and toggle airplane mode on and then off again real quick, and then just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi because it works better than cellular for syncing. Now from here, if that still didn't fix your issue, open up your settings, and what you're going to want to do is click on your name up at the very top to go to this page and select iCloud. This is going to pull up your iCloud settings and just make sure that you have enough storage available. If you're full, either delete some old backups or files or just simply upgrade your plan. From here, within your iCloud settings as well, if that isn't the issue, scroll down and you're going to see a messages button here. Go ahead and just make sure syncing is turned on for your messages by turning it on and selecting the option for use on this iPhone. Now, if you're still having issues, go back to your basic settings and up at the very top, go ahead and search for messages. Select the app settings real quick, and what you're going to want to do is find this iMessage button. And what you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and turn this off and turn it back on just like so. After that, once again, if you're still having issues, go back to your settings, click on your name up at the very top, and what you're going to want to do is just sign out of iCloud by scrolling down, hitting sign out, and then signing back in with your Apple ID. That should have fixed your errors by now, but if you are still having issues, some other stuff you could try is just making sure that you don't have low power mode turned on, and also updating iOS by going to your settings, selecting general, finding the software update, and just checking to see if there's any updates. If there is, select the update. But yeah, that is absolutely everything you could possibly do to sync up your messages normally. Again, if you are still having issues, let us know down in the comments below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.